Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful neckline. To make this neckline I just took a kurti pattern and I'm going to mark the width of the neckline is going to be like 2.5 inches, and from the top I'm going to mark the depth of the neckline is 5 inches. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points and I'm going to make a rectangle like such, and in this rectangle I'm going to draw a very beautiful neckline. So this neckline is a combination of 2 colors, and the key thing over here is that from this point it should have a nice and beautiful curve which goes and meet to the shoulder like this. It should start from this point and it should meet the shoulder, okay, and from this point it's going to go up. So first I'm going to have drawn a roughly, and then this is how my neckline is going to look. Okay, so first you're going to check whether this neckline is meeting the shoulder, and then you're going to draw the neckline, and I'm cutting out the neckline exactly on the shape that I have drawn. So now I'm going to add an interfacing to this. So I'm just folding the interfacing in half, and I'll be placing this interfacing matching the folded edge of the fabric like such, and I'll be drawing the same on my interfacing canvas. So this is how you're going to add interfacing. So let me draw the same shape on my canvas like this. Okay, so I'll be cutting this neckline out. So I'll be adding a marginal amount that is like a 1 inch of allowance on my interfacing canvas all around, and I'll be cutting the same. So once it's done, I'll be placing this in a piece of fabric and I'll be pressing that neat, and then I'm going to attach the neckline to my kurti. So this is the end result of my interfacing canvas, and now I'm just attaching that to my neckline. So if you're regular to my video, and hope you know how to sew the interfacing canvas with the fabric. So if not, I have lots of video related to that, please do check with that. And now I'm pinning all the 3 corners and start sewing this. So little by little I'm going to sew on the neckline, leaving a marginal amount of fabric all around. So when you're getting into the turn, make sure that you put the needle in and you lift the foot up, and then you're going to turn the fabric so that the fabric will stay on the exact place and you'll make a very nice and neat turn. So once it's done, you're going to add the notches all around the neckline, including the corners of the neckline. Make sure you add the notches on the entire neckline, and once it's done, I'll be turning this out. You can see. So now the interfacing canvas is going to the wrong side of the fabric, and pin that in place and make sure you press that once before you attach the next neckline. So now let me show you how to make the pattern for this. So fold the interfacing canvas in half and place the interfacing canvas on the folded edge of the fabric, and I'm going to draw the same neckline again on my interfacing canvas. So this neckline is going to have two different colors. So I'll be drawing this neckline for 2 times. Make sure you draw the shoulder also along with the neckline, which is very important. So now we can see this is my neckline pattern, and so at the beginning I just did a curve type of neckline. The same I'm just doing. Okay, and I'll be adding a 1 inch of seam allowance for the neckline. So this absolutely depends upon you. If you want, you can give 1.5 inch to 2 inch. So I'll be giving the same 1 inch all around, and I'll be bringing that down. So now you're going to decide the length of this piece. Okay, because it's going to go all the way down straight like this. So I'm going to take my kurti and I'll be placing this on top, and I'm going to check till the height I want. See, I just want this neckline till this, so I'm marking that and connect this and make it like an angle. So now I'm going to cut this interfacing canvas, and for this canvas I'm going to give a beautiful baby pink color fabric. So we'll be cutting on the exact margin of the interfacing like this. So again I'll be cutting a different kind of interfacing, again drawing the neckline pattern. So when I do that, I show you how to press the interfacing canvas on a piece of fabric and how to cut that out. So you're going to cut the inside neckline like this. So let me open this and show you. So this is how it's going to look. I'm going to line this with a pink color fabric. So once it's done, I'm going to place the same fabric on my interfacing canvas folded in half like this, and I'll be drawing the same neckline along with the shoulder. Now just place this neckline what you have made before, and this new neckline is going to come little bit smaller than the previous one. So I'm just marking this, and I'll be marking the width of the previous neckline like such. Okay, so now this one is going to come like a pot shape from the top of the neckline, and it's going to go all the way down. It might look a little bit tricky, but when you try to do this neckline, it's really simple and easy to make. So just follow the instruction correctly, and then you can also make a beautiful neckline like this. So same like that, I'll be adding a 1 inch of seam allowance all around. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this out. So little by little I'm going to cut the interfacing, because it's going to have a very neat curve. So to get that curve, I have to be a little bit slow in cutting the neckline. Okay. Make sure you have a sharp scissors like this while handling the interfacing like this, because you need a very nice shape on the interfacing canvas. Okay, so now it's ready. I'm going to give a bright orange color lining for this interfacing canvas, and let me show you how to do that. So before that, let me assemble and show you. So this is how it's going to look. It's going to overlap like such. So just place the canvas on the piece of fabric that you're going to interface, and make sure you take your iron box and you press the interfacing canvas nice and firm like this. It should be in medium heat, not too high, not too low. A medium heat can do, or else it might burn because it's a mixture of a paper and a fabric. So now you're going to cut at the exact margin without leaving any fabric, and I'll be cutting out the outside and also inside like this. So same I'm going to do to my inside. Just like that, I'm going to cut on the exact margin, and I'll be adding a cross piece to finish off the raw edge of this interfacing. So this is how it's going to look once it's done. Let me show you how to sew this. So now I have just took a cross piece and I'm sewing this cross piece on the raw edges of my interfacing canvas. So in this way, I'm just closing the raw edges in a neat way. This is a bias strip, and little by little I'm going to sew into my neckline like such, and I'll be turning this cross piece once it's done. Just give a nice and neat turn at the pointy tip, and I'll be giving this cross piece for both the colors, that is the pink color and the orange color interfacing canvas. And so at the exact margin like this. So once it's done, you just pull out the cross piece and fold that like this, which gives a beautiful look. And now I'm going to sew at the exact margin of this cross piece to finish off the neckline. So if the neckline is not turning properly, make sure you add some slit, and it will turn nice and neat when you add 1 or 2 slits. Okay. So little by little I'm going to sew on the exact margin of this. I'll be doing the inner part and the outer part of the neckline. I'll be sewing this on both the sides and for both the colors. That's a pink and orange color canvas. So little by little I'm going to sew in like this. and that's it. I'm going to finish off the one side, and also I'll be sewing the inner part of the neckline. Okay, so now I have just finished sewing both the necklines like this, and let me assemble and show you how it's going to look before stitching that together. So first I'm going to lay the pink color like this and pin that in place. Okay, now I'm going to take my orange color and I'm going to place this like such, and I'm going to pin that like this. So let me show you how to sew this. So while sewing, make sure you first sew the pink color and then you're going to sew the orange color. So I'll be sewing at the exact margin to finish off the neckline. So first you're going to sew the inner part of the interfacing canvas, and then you're going to sew the outer part. Okay, make sure you don't stretch the canvas. And now I'm going to sew the outside of the interfacing canvas. So make sure that you sew on the exact piping corner and you don't sew on the fabric which is in pink color, because you might see the thread line, and you're going to sew at the exact margin of the piping like this. So now I'm going to place my orange color fabric, that is the interfacing, and I'm going to sew the orange color once the pink color is sewn. So it's going to overlap the neckline like this. So I'll be starting with the shoulder line and I'm going to go all the way down. Make sure the center point of both the neckline matches together, and that's it, it's done. So after finishing off the orange color, it's done. And if you want, you can add a beautiful buttons like this. It just gives a very neat look. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below, and see you next time with a different kind of style. Take care, bye bye.